Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a solid selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $25.53 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of 25.39% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 56.61% to negative 22.99%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 26.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 91.73% to positive 30.67% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.04 and $32.31. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May, in the year 2025, the stock price for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation increased by approximately 0.774%, climbing from $24.54 to $24.73. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.73%, with a low of $24.52 and a high of $25.19. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a total gain of 25.28%. Additionally, trading volume rose, with 18,000 more shares exchanged compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to around $71,360,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $56.55, while the lowest stood at $11.75. Currently, the price sits 56.27%, or $31.82, below the 52-week high, and 68.85%, or $54.65, beneath the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024. When the stock peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, trading under the ticker DJT, is attracting considerable attention as it approaches its annual shareholder meeting. The company recently released a letter to shareholders, highlighting its ongoing commitment to transparency and engagement while navigating an evolving market landscape. Recently, the performance of the stock has been bolstered by a surge in bullish sentiment, with DJT shares increasing by more than 25% within a week. This rise has been primarily driven by a new partnership with Crypto.com and Yorkville America Digital for upcoming exchange-traded funds. This strategic shift towards cryptocurrency and diversified investment products may enable Trump Media to capitalize on the expanding fintech sector, potentially enhancing long-term revenue growth and shareholder value. However, the stock is facing scrutiny from regulators, with Senator Elizabeth Warren advocating for an investigation into the company's investment products. This scrutiny could introduce volatility and uncertainty, which may dampen investor enthusiasm in the short term and create hesitation among those considering DJT's recent gains. As the broader market maintains an optimistic outlook, this momentum could support DJT's stock in the immediate future. Nevertheless, potential regulatory challenges and market reactions to ongoing developments require careful monitoring, as they could influence DJT's trajectory and impact stock prices in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to the stock of Trump Media and Technology Group. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $25.54. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at around $21.07. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will produce a sell signal. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged and could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 6.25%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 48 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this support is breached, the next level based on accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 670 cents between its high and low, which translates to 2.73%. Throughout the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.856. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 8 cents, starting trading at $24.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.